Beyond imagination, 20 most insane military technologies and vehicles in the world. Prepare for an electrifying journey through the realm of military innovation that defies the limits of imagination. In this gripping exposé, we unveil the 20 most mind-bending military technologies and vehicles from across the globe. From stealthy marvels to futuristic arsenals, these creations represent the pinnacle of human ingenuity and the forefront of modern warfare. 1. Hypersonic missiles, rockets that streak through the atmosphere at staggering speeds, rendering traditional defense systems obsolete. 2. Stealth bombers, aircraft engineered to be virtually invisible to radar, enabling surprise strikes with unparalleled precision. 3. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, drones armed with surveillance capabilities, strategic strikes, and reconnaissance beyond human limitations. 4. Exoskeletons, wearable robotic suits that grant soldiers superhuman strength and endurance on the battlefield. 5. Railguns, electromagnetic weapons that propel projectiles at astonishing velocities, revolutionizing artillery. 6. Directed energy weapons, DEWs, laser and microwave weaponry that delivers pinpoint accuracy with the speed of light. 7. Autonomous ground vehicles, smart robots capable of navigating complex terrains without human intervention. 8. Supercavitating torpedoes, underwater missiles that create an air bubble to minimize water resistance, enabling supersonic speeds. 9. Swarming drones, a fleet of autonomous drones that operate as a coordinated swarm, overwhelming enemy defenses. 10. Active camouflage, material that mimics surroundings to render vehicles and soldiers nearly invisible. 11. Electromagnetic rail systems, systems that launch aircraft using magnetic forces instead of traditional runways. 12. Next-gen body armor, advanced armor with enhanced protection against bullets, shrapnel, and energy weapons. 13. Combat robots, robots equipped with weaponry and AI, capable of independent decision-making in battle. 14. Quantum stealth, a material that bends light, rendering objects hidden from the naked eye. 15. Artificial intelligence, AI, warfare, AI algorithms that analyze data and predict enemy strategies, revolutionizing tactical planning. 16. Supersonic aircraft, jets that breach the sound barrier, rapidly deploying troops and equipment across vast distances. 17. Invisibility cloaks, metamaterials that manipulate electromagnetic waves, concealing objects from radar and sonar. 18. Advanced reconnaissance satellites, satellites equipped with high-resolution imaging and real-time tracking capabilities. 19. Multi-mission combat ships, vessels armed with an array of weapons, from missiles to railguns, for versatile naval operations. 20. Bioengineered enhancements, genetic modifications enhancing soldiers' physical and cognitive abilities, pushing human potential. This compilation of technological marvels transcends science fiction, pushing the boundaries of warfare and defense. While these innovations promise tactical advantages, they also spark debates about ethics, international security, and the future of conflict. Our journey through these 20 mind-blowing advancements offers a glimpse into the ever-evolving landscape of military technology and its profound impact on the world stage.